Components of Makecode Arcade window. Let us now learn about the components of Makecode Arcade. Block Toolbox. The toolbox is your source for all the necessary code elements to create your game. These elements are neatly categorized in drawers based on their functions and methods. Programming Workspace. The workspace is your creative canvas where you construct your game. You can grab blocks from the toolbox and place them where you need them. Blocks can be copied, moved, or customized once they are in the workspace. Game Simulator. Experience your game in action within a fully operational game board simulator. This feature lets you run, test, and debug your game's code. Game Controls. Take control of your game by moving your player character or activating various in-game functions through the use of buttons. You can also access the menu and restart your game from here. Simulator Toolbar. The Simulator Toolbar equips you with essential controls for your game simulation. You can run the game, pause it, restart it, enable debugging, and manage the game's display settings. Save Project. Secure your game project by saving it to a file with a name of your choice. This ensures that your progress is preserved. Workspace Toolbar. The Workspace Toolbar provides tools to undo or redo changes made to your code. It also allows you to zoom in or out to adjust your view of the code within the workspace. Share. Collaborate and showcase your game by sharing it in the cloud. You'll receive a shareable link to distribute to others. Download. When your game is ready for deployment, use this option to download your code to the arcade hardware for it to be played on a physical device.